Okay. Okay, gentlemen, Jai Hind. Now you can see in front of you our ex-students, Abhinay Khatri, is selected for NDA 154 course from Air Force Selection Board, Gandhinagar. And presently, he is undergoing course at National Defence Academy. You all got this opportunity. He is just with us here to motivate you, to share the experience which will help you because you all are preparing for the different courses examinations. Everybody got exam of ND 1 2026. Notification भी आ चुका है कि नहीं? Yes, sir. Yes. Thing is that one day he was just like you, sitting in the class as a student. His hard work and dedications. He got selected and personally he is undergoing cadet training. First of all, congratulations to him and clapping for this achievement. All the best. As per tradition of Doon Defence Academy, today he will get the cash award of 10,000 on behalf of Sandeep Sir. And before this is the right time to share the experience with you. And I will request Abhinay to share some experience which will help you for this defense category.
So, first of all, I am Cadet Abhinay Khatri. I am undergoing training in National Defence Academy, Alpha Squad. I was an aspirant just like every one of you in 2024. In 2024, September 1st, I gave NDA written exam in which I scored 412 marks. After which, I came here, Doon Defence Academy, 11 October 2024. I took a 14-day SSB session here. After that session, I went back, prepared for 2 months, refined what was told here, gave my SSB on 30th December. On 3rd January, I was recommended and I got 457 marks, which is highest marks AFSB Gandhinagar has given to any cadet in SSB. I was All India rank 92 in NDA 154 course. So here I am. I will share some of the basic tips with you all, which will help you to crack the exam and eventually come to NDA in 2026. Or yeah, first batch now 2026 is going on. So if some of you are here for SSB, I'll cover that too. For written exam, my main tips would be to concentrate on the basics of 11th and 12th. 300 marks mathematics exam is of utmost importance. I scored around 130 out of 300, which is I think a little bit less, but I was in my very first attempt. So try to polish the concepts, try to break the concepts into 4 major parts. That is probability and statistics, algebra, calculus and trigonometry. You will cover all these parts thoroughly. Take a Pathfinder or anything like manual which you have here. Try to concentrate on the core topics which are coming in exam. For example, in statistics, class 11th and 12th ends in abruptly at some mean deviation or these methods. Go till regression lines. It will help you in the written exam. Try to be laser focused on mathematics, English and science subjects, physics, chemistry, biology. These 3 are enough to get you through. Try to follow the topics which are coming in exam. Try to practice question papers. I personally practiced more than 60 question papers of mathematics. So it was a tough job to do. I had PCMB, physics, chemistry, maths, biology in my class 12, along with which I managed the NDA written exam. So you have to create a balance in your routine. Try to focus only on written till September. After that, you are in a very good academy. Here what Colonel Sir has told me, here what Ravi Sir has told me, here what was told by the psychologist who came when I was here, that was enough for my SSB. Seriously, 12 stories we had to make in SSB. I was made to practice around 30 stories here. I had been taken an interview by Karthik Sir. He came online for my batch and he took my interview and he totally destroyed me in interview. He totally trapped me. I was speechless. I couldn't answer questions. I took a lesson from it. I was told I was a bit overweight. I was 71 kgs around. when I had come here. I went to my SSB after 2 months with 65. I reduced some weight, I got into healthy shape. I did everything which was told here. I practiced, I implemented it in the stories and all. So, whatever is being told here, you at least keep a month. I had 2 months, keep a month to practice it and implement it before your SSB. For example, I was told various things to add in the story which were lacking. Here, the instructors will give you a review of what is lacking in your preparation. Try to take them in your mind, note them, go to your house, correct them, go to SSB, implement it in the SSB, and get recommended. It is as simple as it is. There are 3 steps which you can get out: written exam, SSB, and merit. Try to kill merit in the very first go, because I have seen personally many people with me who got recommended and after that got merit out, because these days SSB are recommending. In my batch, 792 aspirants were recommended, out of which 360 came to NDA. That is more than half the people who got recommended. They also got merit out. For this, try to score above 400 in written examination. Try to do good in SSB. When I came out of the interview, I had a smile on my face. Ki अच्छा चला ये interview. At least it went good. And I was taken by Deputy Commandant of AFSB Gandhinagar. So he judged me positively. After that, the best part which I had was GTO. Thanks to Ravi Sir, who is there. I swear to God, he used to tell us 4 or 5 methods of solving each obstacle. And after that, I went there. I had different ideas. I used to give different ideas. GTO would approve those ideas and tell me to implement it. I used to go ahead. I used to implement the idea. The whole group used to go ahead. And that's how my GTO went. 5-6 tasks. That is progressive group task, half group task, command task, final group task. All went very smoothly because I knew what I had to do in the obstacle. Even in the command task, I was called 6 times as subordinate from the other group. After which, in lecture 8, I would recommend you all to write at least 30-40 basic topics which are in current affairs also. It will help in current affairs also. Try to write a 5-minute content about each one of them. Go in front of mirror, practice that content for 3 minutes. Try to speak. If you speak, then only your mouth will open in the group discussion when 10 other people are shouting at you. After getting recommended also, when you will go to NDA, you will face some kind of, like you have to give speeches somewhere, you have to do public speaking in NDA. In there also it will help a lot. If you are well equipped with your speaking skills, your expression skills are good, then you can counter almost every situation in SSB also. Interview is totally about speaking, how you interact with the interviewing officer. In GTO also you have to interact with the GTO and you have to do group discussion and military planning exercise, you have to coordinate with your subordinates. Even for getting screen in, you have to write a story and after you have to discuss the story with the group. And in screening in, there were 16 people in our group. And we all were shouting like anything to get our point across the table to the 5 assessors who were outside. Still the group recommended me to conclude the story. So it is very important that you have good oratory skills which are bare minimum. You should speak fluent English that is understood by the people. Yeah, it doesn't matter your accent is very good. It doesn't matter if you are from some state or you have something in your accent that is pitching, your voice is shaking. It doesn't matter. You should have a fluent, understandable English, which is more than enough at the very least. Except that, try to practice OIRs, try to get screen in because it feels very bad if you get screen out. I was recommended in my very first attempt, so I don't know how it feels, but that is a very dull feeling. I had my friends who got screened out. They didn't even get a chance to show their skills which they had prepared. So don't get screened out. Screen out is a casualty. Don't become a casualty. Try to concentrate on the SSB part more because their conference out ratio is more. So try to get good marks in SSB, good marks in written, and please come to National Defence Academy because it's a very good institution. I personally enjoyed my time there. The first 6 months were like a dream come true in the National Defence Academy. We got to learn so much. There is a third termer who teaches you. He is your overseer. He teaches you many things. How to eat, how to iron clothes, how to wash clothes, how to do basic chores of life and how to perform in physical training tests, how to ride horses, you will get to know there, you will learn swimming. It's a very good institute to come to and it's a place worth these 6 months. You only have to invest 6 months of your life. 4 months from now for the written exam, 2 months for the SSB preparation, and you will come to one of the best and the most prestigious institutions in India. Very good luck to all of you for your journey, and I hope I see you in National Defence Academy. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Abhinay, for sharing this experience, which will help you because you all are preparing for the NDA examinations for 157 course. आप लोगों का कौन सा कोर्स होगा? 157. Okay, all this experience will help you. Okay, later on you can ask any type of corrections. It will be open for you. And straightway, we come for the cash award. As per tradition of Doon Defence Academy, every student is getting on final selections cash award as a token of appreciation by Sandeep Sir. Today, Abhinay Khatri will get the cash award of 10,000 on behalf of Sandeep Sir. For this, I request Ravi Patel Sir, the GTO assessor here, he will give 10,000 cash award to Abhinay. Okay, gentlemen, basically, one more thing. Notification is already declared by UPSC. सबको पता है ना? Yes. तो उसके बारे में कुछ मैं important चीज बता दूं. एक तो last date आपको पता है 3 December. It's already started. Get ready your all documents, जितने भी soft copies में हैं, सब ready कर लीजिए. यहाँ पर जो computer lab है, वो आपके लिए open है. ठीक है? वहाँ पर आप अपना जो है ये plan कर सकते हैं. The filling of the forms. Understood? Yes, sir. ध्यान रहे कि सब कुछ टाइम पे करना है. जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट कहीं कुछ कम है, कुछ है, गेट रेडी एवरीथिंग. एकदम अच्छे से भरना है फॉर्म को, क्योंकि बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक्स होती हैं. ठीक है बेटा? Yes, और इसके बाद प्रिपरेशन को लग जाना है, जो टाइम बहुत कम रह गया है. 12 तक इज द एग्जाम. ओके? ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.